Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tasks to make your life a whole lot easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to change your address on your Texas driver's license for 2025. Whether you've just relocated or want to ensure your info is up to date, staying current with the Texas Department of Public Safety, DPS, is crucial to avoid fines or complications. Let's jump right in. First off, why bother? Well, in Texas, you have 30 days from the date of your move to update your address. Failing to do so could lead to penalties, so let's get you sorted quickly. The good news is, the process is straightforward and can often be done online, saving you a trip to the DMV. Step 1. Head over to the official Texas DPS website. Look for the Driver License Services section. It's usually front and center. You'll need to create an account or log in if you already have one. Once you're in, navigate to the address change option. Make sure you have your current driver's license number, social security number, and proof of your new address handy, like a utility bill or lease agreement. If you're doing this online, enter your new address details accurately. Double-check everything because mistakes can delay processing. After submitting, you might get a confirmation email, and your updated license could be mailed to you within 10 to 15 business days. But if you're not comfortable with online forms or if there are issues, don't worry. Option 2 is visiting a local DPS office in person. For in-person updates, locate the nearest DPS office using their website's locator tool. Bring your physical driver's license, proof of identity, and proof of your new address. The process is quick. Fill out a form, pay a small fee, usually around $10 minus 20, and you'll get a temporary license on the spot while your new one is processed. One more thing. If you're changing your address due to a name change or other updates, you might need additional documents, so check the DPS guidelines first. And remember, for 2025, Texas is pushing more digital options, so keep an eye out for any new app features. There you have it. That's how you change your address on your Texas driver's license hassle-free. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set and compliant in no time. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.